Welcome back to our Barcelona journey. Today, we leave the medieval core and step into the example, the visionary 19th century extension that defined modern Barcelona. Designed by Ildefons Cerdà, this revolutionary grid was built for light, air, and the future of movement, turning the city into an open, egalitarian masterpiece. We begin on Passeig de Gràcia, the city's most prestigious boulevard and the grand stage for the flamboyant architecture of the Catalan bourgeoisie. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Even the ground beneath our feet is art. These paving stones, designed by Antoni Gaudí himself, turn the sidewalk into an urban reef of marine motifs. This is the Manzana de la Discordia, a single block where the giants of Modernisme competed to build the city's most beautiful mansion. Gaudí's Casa Batlló stands as a dream in stone and glass, its facade inspired by the legend of St. George and the Dragon. Inside, organic forms and undulating walls evoke the feeling of being in an underwater cave, a testament to Gaudí's boundless imagination. Further up the street, we encounter Casa Milà, famously known as La Pedrera, or the Quarry, for its revolutionary stone structure. Its rooftop is a garden of warriors, chimney stacks designed to resemble knights that would later inspire the look of Star Wars. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Leaving Passeig de Gràcia, we head toward the building that became Gaudí's life's work and the eternal symbol of Barcelona, the Basílica de la Sagrada Família, a project that has been under construction for over 140 years. Gaudí lived on site for years, dedicating every waking hour to this spiritual forest in stone where nature and faith intertwine. Inside, you're transported to a spiritual forest. The columns branch out like trees, bathed in a sunrise of blues and oranges from the stained glass. With the central tower of Jesus Christ now structurally complete, the basilica is officially entering its final phase of construction. Set for completion in 2026, the centenary of Gaudí's death, it remains a work of man designed not to surpass the work of God. From the visionary grid of Cerdà to the divine spires of Gaudí, the example is the heart of Barcelona's artistic soul. Thank you for joining us for part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.